What's the meaning of barnstorming? Barnstorming. Barnstorming.
Barnstorming. Barnstorming. The term barnstorming originally referred to a type of traveling entertainment show in the early 20th century. These shows would often be performed in barns or other informal settings, and featured a variety of acts including music, comedy, and acrobatics. Over time, the term barnstorming came to be associated with any kind of traveling or touring performance or campaign. Today, the term is commonly used in the context of politics, with politicians barnstorming through various parts of the country in an effort to win votes or raise awareness for their campaign. It can also refer to a particularly impressive or dynamic performance, as in a barnstorming speech.